Yeah, man, I share some indigenous alkaline sip, you know?
That is it.
Yes. So, yeah, sure, a little girl, special
You got me singing way oh way oh oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh way oh oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Way oh oh. You got me singing way oh oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh.
There's a bit of culture on your part over there. I don't know if I can see it. Is there? You see it, Mama? See tree woods there, so? Them used to use it and grind the sugar cane. So they put the sugar cane between the two, you see the round things? And then they spin the top where them put the wood and juice the sugar cane. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Jafrika TV. And today, Baba and I are outside. Just come off of work. We're touching out on a little, river chill vibe for the new year. Get some nature in. Yeah, that's what the vibe is this morning. Bless up. We outside, so we outside.
Outside.
We outside, so we outside.
Outside.
We outside, and we outside. Oh, this looks really good. And then I'll be like, because I always need it first, and then when I don't have it, I'll be like, that's it. And you wear like everything like under your shoulder. And that's what happens. And then this one right now is the gold and the white. You're Abby? Woo! And I go by the artist name Abby Paris. Abby Paris, okay, cool. Alright, what's the energy behind this event? Well, actually, it's starting called The Sanctuary by Abby Paris. Because I'm an artist, and I'm branching into like art therapy. Okay. Helping people to heal through art. I know a lot of us going through a lot right now, especially with the pandemic, and just life in general. And I feel art therapy has been heal and so the sanctuary is basically, it doesn't necessarily try to a certain space. It's just an experience that I provide to the persons. What exactly would you like us to experience on this sanctuary experience? Healing. Through art. Right. Straight. And it's right in nature where, everything comes together so beautiful. The walk with feeling to come up here, and then you come, you have beautiful people, and it's a great venture, a great idea. We're already feeling the healing, right?
For real.
So what are we going to be painting today? We're just going to... Basically, you're going to tap into your inner child to create your master. Okay. So it's not necessarily anything that I'm going to be painting when it comes up over yourself. And for the color palette, everybody gets a different color palette. Apart from the colors, for
prior to now, and whatever you get, you work with that. So, throughout the area.
So who can come to the sanctuary?
Just about
Anybody. No matter what the painting experience is, you just come and
so you don't have to be a pro at painting. You probably never painted before in your life. Alright, so you can find me on Instagram at the sanctuary dot a.
Alright, tell them one main page. I know from the main page you would have find.
Forever Abby Paris. So
Okay.
it's Forever ABII Paris.
Straight.
and we can find you there and follow and come along for the great experience so
Yeah.
far.
You don't want to miss the next one, I tell you
Right,
guys.
Right.
It's
You
a
have
vibe.
any idea when the next one will be? Tomorrow?
You know what I mean? Mystery.
Yeah.
Stay tuned. Bless up.
Right.
So,
Yeah, man, I show some indigenous alkaline sip, you know?
that is it.
Yes. So, yeah, sure, I want to go to the special Jamaica.
So good.
How is it, my boss?
It's smooth, man.
Smooth. How is it?
Everything that I need right now. Tastes nice.
How is it, princess?
It's okay.
It's okay. How is it?
It's good.
It's great.
Yeah.
How is it,
What does
mama?
that look like?
How is it, mama?
We don't know yet. She's asking what that is. What
Okay.
is that? What does it look like? I don't know.
Almond.
Okay.
Let's go.
Take your word for it.
Go, mama.
Yay, come a spoon.
Out of 10.
Then.
Make some magic. I don't know why they y'all give me paint and paper and we have kids. Ha! We shall have a laugh today.
the end of our vlog. We had a great day on the riverside. We had a little. It was so great being here. It was. Yeah, so great vibes, great little meditation. We had a great meditation, and then we had some sip, so literally sip and paint. And then we did our paintings, and then we interpreted the painting and connect the paintings. And you know, really, it's a really great vibe. It's a really great vibe if you want to chill and just relax and get a peace of mind in nature and the river and the meditation and everything like that. It's really good. And I find that these days that the artwork really relaxes you. Like, just do it. Just, you know, you don't have to have any inhibitions that you're doing it wrong or anything like that. Just go ahead and just paint it. It was great. It was great vibe. It was great. Bubba, do you want to say anything, Bubba?
Ridiculous! It was a ridiculous day.
It was ridiculous day.
My people, my Africans, must all know this word. Ridiculous!
Wait, Bubba.
Oh, just how you welcome. Pull the phone good, mama.
You pull the phone good and your phone we touch bottom and drop off.
The great movements of Africa movements. More life, more love, more strength, more togetherness. Only meditation is the higher heights of the higher heights. Jah guide and protect this vibration. Let it come to be a prosperity that every generation may sight and look forward to this as a living liberty. Jah bless and keep everyone. More love, Rastafari. Highly, highly blessed.